Not all cars are built to last. Some will drain your bank account with constant repairs, while others deliver bulletproof reliability and long-term value. If you are buying a car in 2025, you cannot afford to make the wrong choice. Today, we are breaking down the worst cars that will leave you stranded and the best ones that are worth every dollar. Let's get into it. Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse has been a popular choice for families, but its 2025 model carries a reputation for costly breakdowns and poor reliability. Despite its redesign, it continues to struggle with serious mechanical issues. Under the hood, the 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine delivers 328 horsepower, which seems strong, but the 9-speed automatic transmission is a weak point. Owners have reported harsh shifts, delayed acceleration, and complete transmission failures before reaching 60,000 miles. Additionally, the engine suffers from overheating problems, leading to costly repairs. At first glance, the 2025 Traverse looks sharp, but paint quality issues and weak panel alignment make it clear that cost-cutting measures were taken. Many owners experience premature rust and loose trim after just a couple of years. Inside, the Traverse offers a spacious cabin, but cheap plastics, an outdated infotainment system, and uncomfortable seats make it far less enjoyable than its competitors. The software frequently glitches, and the air conditioning system struggles in hot weather. Consumer Reports ranks the Traverse below average for reliability, with frequent engine and transmission problems, making it a terrible long-term investment. And if you think this SUV is bad, wait until you hear about this next sedan that is an even bigger disappointment. Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima has long been marketed as an affordable, fuel-efficient family sedan, but its major mechanical failures have made it one of the most unreliable sedans on the market. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine produces 188 horsepower, but the real disaster is the continuously variable transmission, CVT. Nissan's CVT is notorious for premature failures, leading to jerky acceleration, overheating, and expensive replacements before the car even reaches 70,000 miles. The Altima's body panels are thin, making it prone to dents and rust. Owners have reported poor quality paint that chips within the first 2 years. The cabin feels outdated, with cheap materials and uncomfortable seating. The infotainment system frequently lags, and road noise is excessive, making long drives unpleasant. Consumer Reports rates the Altima poorly for reliability, especially due to its CVT failures and poor overall build quality. But it is not just sedans that suffer from serious issues. This next SUV is one of the worst purchases you can make in 2025. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass is marketed as an adventure-ready SUV, but in reality, it is one of the most problematic crossovers on the market. The Compass is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, making 200 horsepower, but its 9-speed automatic transmission constantly hesitates and struggles to find gears. This results in rough shifting, delayed acceleration, and overall sluggish performance. While it has a rugged appearance, thin body panels and cheap paint make the Compass highly susceptible to rust and scratches. Additionally, suspension issues lead to a rough, uncomfortable ride. The infotainment system frequently freezes, the climate control malfunctions, and cheap plastic trim pieces easily break. The Compass has a history of reliability issues, and the 2025 model continues the trend, making it a terrible investment for SUV buyers. But if you think compact SUVs have reliability problems, wait until you hear about this next luxury disaster. Land Rover Discovery. The Land Rover Discovery might look premium, but its reliability record is one of the worst in the industry. The 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six makes 355 horsepower, but engine stalling, oil leaks, and failing sensors make it one of the most unreliable SUVs in 2025. The air suspension system is prone to costly failures, adding to the vehicle's already high repair bills. Land Rover's luxury styling is overshadowed by serious durability issues. Owners report frequent electrical malfunctions, power window failures, and leaking roofs. The infotainment system is riddled with bugs, and leather surfaces wear out quickly, making the Discovery feel outdated after just a few years. Land Rovers are known for terrible reliability, and the Discovery is no exception. It is one of the worst luxury SUVs you can buy in 2025. Now that we have exposed the worst cars, let us highlight three of the best vehicles you should buy in 2025. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry has been a legend in reliability, and the 2025 model continues to set the standard. With a redesigned exterior, modern technology, and bulletproof engineering, this sedan is a top choice for anyone looking for a hassle-free vehicle. The 2025 Camry is available with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 205 horsepower, or an efficient hybrid setup with 225 horsepower. The 8-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth shifting, while the hybrid version boasts an impressive 50 miles per gallon. Unlike many modern sedans, the Camry is built to last well beyond 200,000 miles with minimal maintenance. The Camry gets a sleek, sportier design with a low-slung front grille, LED headlights, and refined aerodynamics. Toyota has also improved the paint quality and rust protection, making it more durable in extreme weather conditions. Inside, the Camry features a new 12.3-inch infotainment system, premium materials, and exceptional seating comfort. The quiet cabin, user-friendly controls, and advanced driver assistance features make every drive enjoyable. The Toyota Camry is a true definition of long-term value, offering best-in-class reliability, great resale value, and an unbeatable reputation for dependability. If you are looking for something with more power and luxury, this next SUV delivers the perfect blend of performance and comfort. Acura MDX Types. The 2025 Acura MDX Type S is a premium SUV that blends performance, reliability, and high-end features. Unlike many luxury SUVs that suffer from reliability issues, Acura's reputation for durability makes the MDX a standout choice. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 delivers 355 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Acura's super handling all-wheel drive (AWD). The MDX Type S offers sporty acceleration, precise handling, and excellent stability, making it a fun yet practical SUV for families. Liddy Acura has enhanced the styling of the MDX Type S with a bold front grille, LED lighting, and aggressive body lines. The build quality is solid, ensuring this SUV holds up well over time. Step inside, and you will find high-end materials, a massive 12.3-inch digital display, and plush leather seating. Acura has improved sound insulation, making the MDX one of the quietest and most comfortable SUVs in its class. The MDX Type S offers the perfect mix of luxury, performance, and reliability, something many premium SUVs fail to achieve. But if you want something even more powerful and premium, this next car takes luxury and performance to another level. Bentley Continental GT. The Bentley Continental GT is the ultimate luxury grand tourer, offering jaw-dropping power, handcrafted interiors, and timeless design. Powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, the Continental GT delivers 542 horsepower, while the optional 6.0-liter W12 produces an astonishing 650 horsepower. This luxury coupe accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, offering a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing comfort. The Continental GT features an elegant, muscular stance with a bold grille, signature round headlights, and a sculpted body. Bentley's high-quality paint and aluminum construction ensure this car remains stunning for years to come. Inside, handcrafted leather, wood veneer, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system create a luxurious driving environment. The seats are highly adjustable and heated, making long road trips an absolute pleasure. With unmatched craftsmanship, exhilarating performance, and long-term durability, the Bentley Continental GT is a dream car that truly lives up to its name. According to Consumer Reports, the Toyota Camry, Acura MDX Type S, and Bentley Continental GT have some of the highest reliability ratings in their segments. Toyota's bulletproof engineering, Acura's blend of luxury and durability, and Bentley's world-class craftsmanship make these cars safe investments that will hold their value. Unlike the worst cars we discussed earlier, these vehicles offer great performance, reliability, and long-term satisfaction. Not all cars are created equal. While some will drain your bank account with constant repairs, others offer long-term reliability, great resale value, and enjoyable performance. The Toyota Camry, Acura MDX Type S, and Bentley Continental GT stand out as the best choices in 2025, proving that quality and reliability still matter. Which one would you buy? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more expert car insights.